Damien, what's the deal, dude? Are we gonna blow this tree line or what? Tuck and Kim got the blue balls here. I'm gonna let them squirt before it go.
Lay it through, still rolling.
Peter, can he hear me? That's C4, dipshit. Put that back. I said a detonator. I need some dudes up here who speak American, goddammit. He's making a fucking sweater back here. I'm trying to put Tiger Bomb on this jungle's nuts.
This is Falcon 1. We have the ridge in sight approximately 2 miles.
Peter, these jets are about to crest this ridge line. I got about 200 pounds of shit your pants. I need to know if we're ready to go. You're tangling me. You're fucking tangling me. You're tangling me, goddammit. Shit, what are you fucking both doing? Good Lord. Here they come! Planes are inbound. Planes are inbound. Shit. Cocksucker. Fuck. Perfect. That's the signal. Go. Let's go freaking get here. Mother Nature just pissed her pants, dude!